Game begin.
Every person who I speak to, they compliment the screen every single time. Even on the sad days when we had exhibitors here, tradespeople here, they all stopped and said, "What is that screen?" And of course we told them, but it's such an eye catcher. People love it, and I think it's a perfect combination for this booth. So yeah, thank you Optoma, I appreciate it. So this year is all about community. We've created an experience here that allows fans of Roblox to get involved. They come into the zone and they get that real community feel by playing the games, interacting with each other, but also interacting with developers who help build the games inside Roblox. We have an existing relationship with Optoma. Optoma have been a partner of ours for some time. They've been absolutely brilliant. They're so great to work with. And when this opportunity came up, we couldn't think of anyone else better to do this. We knew their screen would get the attention that we need, and it absolutely has. So that's why we've chosen Optoma. So the role that the technology has been able to provide to us is, one, this huge screen behind us is such a big draw to the eye. Everyone is constantly looking at the screen and giving us compliments on how great it is, the quality is. So that's a real good way to draw people in.
Yeah, so we have three products to talk about. One is the LED, of course. This is our 135-inch display, which has a COB technology at a high brightness, 700 nits. So this is very clear and sharp for these type of events. And also because it's an all-in-one system, it's very easy to build this. So it takes only a few hours to install this essentially.
The second display we have is an interactive flat panel. This is where people can draw and design their own items for Roblox. So what they're able to do is they design their items, Roblox are then going to take them and potentially put them into the game for people to buy. So I think using this technology is a really good way of getting people hands-on, giving them a different experience, but also allowing the community to build stuff for Roblox without even using Roblox.
Behind us you will see a 5 Series interactive touchscreen, which is being used for designing the UGC icons.
So we're also using one of the projectors inside one of the meeting rooms. We're holding focus groups with developers, Roblox employees, and we thought we could use the projector in that space as well to also get attention, and we're very impressed with the quality that Optoma have been able to provide.
This is a UHZ 68LV projector. This is a 4K projector with a low input lag, which is important for gaming as well. And it has a high resolution, and it also has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos for home cinema use. Big screens are very important for events. The ask for big screens is getting more and more. The requirement for this as well. So we are keep on developing big screens to make sure we can help on future events as well.
Optoma have been brilliant. They've driven up and down the country to make sure that we get everything here on time. The team have been incredibly responsive, and even the on-site team have done certain optimizations to the screen which have made it even better. So I really can't thank them enough for what they've done for us at Gamescom. I really appreciate it.